Hi, it's Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here's our June 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. There just aren't enough adjectives. The Toronto real estate market hit lots of new records in June for many sales statistics. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up 7.4% for June compared to last year, with 12,794 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales are actually up 41% above the last 16-year monthly average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a 31.4% share of the market, with 4,017 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is about average for June. The June average sale price for all GTA homes came in at an astounding $746,546, a significant 16.8% higher than last year. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 42% decline in inventory for the month of June compared to historical numbers, and lower by 31% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In June, that ratio finished at 103.8%, up 37% from last year's result and the highest I've seen for any month ever. We're now into an extreme seller market territory, and the summer market looks like it's going to be busy too. The days on market average for Toronto homes was just 15. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for June was just over $480,000. That average moved up 6.4% from the same time last year. With 681 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 44% compared to 2015. There were 1,163 active listings on the market in June, 26% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 58.5%, which put CO1 into very busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 23, the same as last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for June was just over $474,300. That number was up 6.7% compared to 2015. And with 218 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 18% from last year. There were 298 active listings on the market in June, down 27% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 73.2% for the month. That number put CO8 solidly into very hot seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 20, 2 days faster than last month. We had lots of best numbers ever and significant milestones in June. Here's what happened. We had the highest number of overall sales for the month of June, and the highest ever ratio of sales to listings. Also, listings were down 31% from June 2015. There were the most condo sales in any month, and a 16.8% average sale price increase from 1 year ago. There was a huge $107,000 increase in the June average sale price compared to June 2015. Toronto condo and house prices are diverging at an increasing rate, almost 20% year-over-year price increases for detached and semi-detached houses versus 7% for condos. This month, we're looking at the Toronto Real Estate Board chart for sales and average sale price statistics for this June compared to 1 year ago. I've specifically highlighted the sales numbers and average sale prices for detached and semi-detached houses plus condo apartments in the Toronto 416 areas. Let's look at sales first. The number of detached homes sold during the month was almost the same as last year, while sales of semis declined by 4.2%. These flat or declining sales are solely because of lack of inventory. If there were more listings available, we'd certainly have more sales. Condo apartment sales increased June to June, however, by 15% in comparison because of availability and affordability. Looking at the average sale price numbers, expect condo sales and appreciation to continue to increase because of the ever-increasing average sale price gap between condos versus semis, twice as much, and detached homes almost 3 times as much. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is to give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Check back here in early August for our July 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.